I'm scared already. Welcome to Remothered. I know it says Remother, but for some reason it was out of frame. I don't know why. But the game is actually called Remothered, not Remother. Hey, Midna's here! Midna, this is a very scary game, huh? I'm giving you the disclaimer, alright? This is all about me getting scared. I'm testing my new webcam. And this is the point. This is why I actually set up a webcam, because I want to play horror games and I want to be terrified on camera. Hey! Hey, me! Welcome! So yeah, this is going to be the point of these streams. I'm testing out the camera for the first time, and because I'm missing one USB slot, because the thing is this, to stream now I'm going to need 4 USBs. Camera, microphone, headset, and the controller. But so what I'm doing is I'm using this to replace the microphone. So I won't be using this for today. I'm going to be using this until I get an extension cable thingy stuff, you know. All right, I'm excited and I'm scared. I never played this game. It just came out like what, 2 hours ago or something. And here we go. So, new game. This game is still under development, by the way, so there might be a bug or 2 or 8. We'll see. And I know that the game, my face is very dark, but it's kind of the point, you know. If I put light and brightness, it won't be as terrifying, you know. Let me see if I can put on. I can put the blue lights, but nah. No, let's. Oh, press A to continue. But I have X. But I have X. All right, here we go. Shh. Can you guys hear me? Okay. I love it already. I was attacked by my cat because I needed her samples from my. Drew is here! Oh, Drew is here! Ah, you're gonna miss this. You're gonna miss it because this is really good. You're gonna go in the real life. Go, go with the real life. Shh, shh. This game is really good.
Listen to me. Their romance leave us free, but needs to be taken care like a tree.
Hey Mark, welcome. I'm gonna try to stay quiet during the dialogue. This is just the opening cutscene, so I'm just. It's fine. Ciao, True. Adios. Ciao. See you, True. Take care. You guys can hear me okay? The music is not overpowering me or anything, is it? Let me know if the game gets too loud and you can't hear me. Let me know in the comments down below. I'm good. She's having a cigarette. Don't smoke, kids. Gives you lung cancer. Okay, I was gonna read that. It's in Italian. Il paziente denuncia. It's only about the patient. So yeah, just a quick side note. Whenever I'm going to be playing horror games and there's the face cam in front of my face, alright, I'm going to be turning on I'm going to be changing the notifications. No more sweet cute Pokemon. No more sweet cute Pokemon, alright? It's going to be a jump scare alert, like almost that one. Okay. Wow, scary stuff. Did the game crash? If it crashes, I will demand a refund right away. No, I don't think so. You should guys listen to this with headphones.
It's gonna rain again.
Alright, so objective, reach the residence of Dr. Felton. Alright. She won't run. No sprinting. Oh yeah, there is. How she runs. I like that. What's going on? What's this on the floor? Not this way. Okay, I tried to break the game already. But I can't go this way. It says stop. Shh. Shut up, Pooch. Did she not turn off the van? Turn it off. Turn off the van. Is the engine still running? Missing. Lost child. Celeste or Celeste? Celeste probably. Celeste Felton. Missing since Thursday, October 14, 1971. Last seen 4 p.m. at recreation grounds in code date of birth February 8, 1958. Female, white, 13 years, light blonde hair, blue eyes at last. Wearing a white dress with bows, white shoes, and dressed hair. Since any information are requested to call. Okay, I feel like it's this way. Or not. Hello? Hello? What's it? It's just... Is this based on a real story? Don't tell me that. No, I don't think so. I hope not.
Who is it?
Yes, hello. I'm Dr. Reed from the Santa Margarita Institute.
I'm sorry, but Mr. Felton is no longer a patient.
I know. This is why I'm here. Hello? Anyone?
Time to break in. Kind of reminds me of Resident Evil. No, it's not. Don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. It reminds me of Resident Evil 7 right now. Trying to get through. Nobody answers the bell. You get inside. Your teacher told you that? Really? Your teacher told you about the game that just came out today? Your teacher is awesome. Alright. Object to get inside the mansion. I hope that your teacher is wrong. The game looks gorgeous, huh? I think it's an indie studio that made this. Hello, Fountain. Yeah, he's a game freak. And a science teacher. Science teachers are always the coolest, you know? Maybe this way? I see, you're catching your breath now, you're trying to catch your breath. Because she smokes, huh? See what happens? When you smoke? Hello? You're not gonna scare me, game. Takes a lot to scare me, I think. I think. Really, OBS? Really? Really? It felt like doing that. It felt like... Sometimes it does that. Like, I'm going to play them and then upload them. And like every Friday night, I used to play a horror game with face cam, with my crappy HD cam and the iMac. And I was going through the videos and the faces I used to make, like, ah! It was hilarious. I used to look up. I used to look up look up indie horror games, like ones that I've never heard of and stuff. Okay, so this must be indicating something. Oh, hello. All right. Hello? Anyone there? I'm not scared. Come on, let's go. How are you, Indigo, by the way? Where are the chilies? Soon. Soon. I keep looking over there because that's where the chat is, but the camera's here. It's a bit confusing. I have to get used to that. Smoking again. Hey, then you go.
Yes?
Good evening. I
Miss
am...
Reed, you already told me at the intercom, and as I already told you, Mr. Felton is no longer a patient at the Santa
I know.
Institute.
I came here voluntarily, outside the Institute.
So what do you want?
I am personally re-examining your case. Causes, reagents. I strongly believe there are alternative ways and probably other experiments that are worth a try. I am fighting with the Institute to recognize there are other adequate remedies for your husband's pathology.
Oh, no, please. I'm just assisting him. I'm his nurse.
I didn't know.
It's okay. I suppose you want to talk to him.
Thank you.
I apologize for the darkness, but Mr. Felton's sight has been damaged and immensely compromised because of the disease. Anyway, I am Gloria.
Gloria!
Please,
Gloria!
no smoking inside. Mr. Felton hates the smell of smoke.
Sorry.
To fix OBS, re-enter the stream queue. Code into the streaming queue on OBS. That's what I do. I don't need to do that one again. It's saved there. No, and it automatically reconnects. Just goes off and reconnects. I don't know why it does it every now and then. All right, let's go. Just gonna snoop around a little bit first. Hello. I'm gonna look at stuff.
Please, this way.
Shut up. I'm looking around. I'm looking at books. I want to see what you were reading. She walks really slowly, huh? I don't like that. What's that sound? Ah.
Bad
I love the sound of wood.
Smoking?
Yes, such a shame. You should quit. You have no idea how bad this is for you. Not only for your health, but it's also very expensive. Money and time wasted. I have so much to do every day. I couldn't waste time with such a bad habit.
Really?
Assist Mr. Felton all day?
Oh no, from midday to 8 p.m. Then I go back home. I live near here. If needed, he can contact me with a pager, but that's not often. His wife takes care of him when I'm off.
What can you tell me about her?
I met her just a couple of times. She's usually out or locked in her bedroom when I'm here. Let's say they don't seem to get along.
I didn't know.
All right, let's see if it keeps happening. I don't know. I don't like that.
She listens to the same music. The
I didn't
same
update my
song
OBS though, huh? So
over and over.
she can't run now. She's not running right now. I'm trying, but I didn't update OBS, so it shouldn't be a problem. I don't know. Once again, guys, this game is under early development. Not early access, really. So there might still be some things that are broken, perhaps. Get ready for the worst update ever. I'm not gonna update, as if I never update. Welcome!
Mr. Felton will be here in a few minutes.
Okay.
Alright, so time to browse around. She can run again, I think. No? No run still? No? Okay. There's something here. Mr. and Mrs. Felton's farm. Rossogallo. Rossogallo. It's like... it's a red rooster. Rossogallo. Red rooster. Exactly. I kid you not. Rossogallo means red rooster. Anyway, go again. Mr. and Mrs. Felton's farm, Rossogallo, closes. Danger of contamination. Wyman and the Feltons syndicated for alleged criminal activity against consumers and production employees October 2nd, 1971. The Rosso Gallo farm, pride of the Gallos, closed due to suspected contamination. It has been reported that many products have been... can you see the text? I think you can, eh? The owner, Ariana Gallo, top right, ugly. Her husband, the notary Richard Felton, bottom right, professor and company's partner. Gorilla and GG. Thank you so much for the donation. My heart is pounding, but okay. That wasn't bad. That wasn't bad. Okay. Who was that? Was it you, Indigo? Shut up. Okay. So who was it then? It's a sign. Who was it then? Because you were like smirking. So who was it? Gorillamon. Anyway, whoever you are, thank you so much. Oh man. Okay. So the only area, where was I? Professor and company's partner, Albert Elias Wyman, large picture, are under investigation. The latter has been allegedly accused by Felton himself of having used the company to carry out pharmaceutical experiments, taking advantage of corporate funds, and this and at his will. Indeed, the warning came from residents at the company's headquarters, the Ashmans, who managed the building and supervised the harvesters. The sisters of the adjoining convent photo, among the reported symptoms, painful ulcers, vomiting, proliferation of parasites, and in some cases, keratosis. What is that? Keratosis photosensitivity. Okay. Following the heavy allegations, both the Feltons and the Ashmans received numerous threats from Wyman himself, who has been removed from the Order of Physicians today. I'm getting the chills. I kid you not. Wyman stated that he was shocked by the charges and pointed his finger to his former business partner, Richard Felton. He personally funded him. He personally funded me. It's worth noticing that Felton himself, like his father, promoted and funded the Phenoxyl project, a drug for which Wyman himself was nominated for the prestigious Medicine Award in 1957. Man, this is going into a lot of detail. Maybe this is a true story, I don't know. But that was retired from the market a few years later due to the disastrous side effects. Meanwhile, even at Felton's house, which was used as location for product distribution, the activities ceases. As a result of the scandal, the Ashmans and the Feltons also broke off a kind of relationship. As a matter of fact, the Ashmans claimed a substantial refund for the damage they suffered because even their children have been infected and, as a consequence, used as unaware test subjects. The authorities assume that the contamination has developed from groundwater, not only used for irrigation of nearby plantations, but also a common source for the Ashmans and the 12 sisters of the nearby monastery. Okay. Whew. Murder investigation. Joke. Oh, Indigo, no. But they need to do that at the right time. No, you shouldn't. No, you shouldn't. Okay, so close. Oh, other side? Okay. There's nothing on the other side, yeah? You damn sons of B. See what you write about me on the news? You want to tarnish me, but I'll get back at you. Oh, surely I will. Starting with your daughter. Do you believe she doesn't know who her father is? I'm sure he would be glad to know that she is his daughter. Sure, you've got some balls. Take your own responsibilities. What am I saying? Balls? You never got balls. Hey, Mary. Hi, Vloggy. What you doing? Nice to see you. Welcome to the stream. I'm playing a scary game today with the face cam. It's a brand new camera. I'm testing it out. And even the...
Well, it would be too easy, wouldn't it? I believe in people's willpower. Everything else is not God, but inaptitude or mankind's cruelty.
This is the kind of fairy tale I prefer at my age. When you're worn out from an incurable disease, you start having some doubts. Why is there so much life in such small but lethal creatures? An arbiter, that's all we
For
need.
what? It's wrong and crazy. It's human nature.
That same nature in which we are equals to those ants eating each other. But, pardon me, I forgot my manners. Please, sit down. Dr. Reed, I suppose.
Sorry, Mr. Felton. Pleased to meet you.
So you already met Gloria.
Thank you, Red.
She let me in.
She's a great reference, extremely hardworking, but back to us. I don't recall seeing a beautiful doctor like you at the Institute.
Thank you.
I am flattered, Mr. Felton. I arrived at the Institute just a few months after you left. And you left because?
Inadequacy of the sanitary treatments within the structure.
That's right. And in a few words?
In a few words, they didn't know how to treat my case, and they left me there to die.
But it seems that other issues took over.
I once or twice refused to go through exams.
Is there anything
And the sound is really good of this game.
Yes, see if Dr. Reed needs anything.
Oh, no.
May I offer you a cup of tea or coffee? Espresso?
No, thank you.
As you wish. How about you, Mr. Felton?
No, thank you. I'll keep entertaining our guest. You can go now.
You're diagnosed. 1958.
Yes, indicatively, some friends and I contracted the disease while traveling to Egypt, and it got worse.
In addition to the disease, the first exam showed some inconsistency. Some hormonal deficiency, overdose of non-prescribed drugs, opiates, Anoxol? Wasn't it recalled in the mid-60s?
Doctor, don't you think that nowadays there are ways to obtain drugs without any prescription?
I believe so. According to your file, you still receive your disability pension. Even better, it seems that the beneficiary is your wife, Ariana Gallo.
Exactly. She's the one who takes care of me when Gloria is off.
How about your daughter?
My daughter, Celeste, has never come back home.
Disappeared. She was adopted, am I right?
The investigators confirmed that she intentionally left. They never suspected a kidnapping since there was no ransom request.
How about Weeman? Wasn't he a suspect?
A flash in the pan, an idiot who brought confusion by sending warnings and threats.
And her birth parents?
Dr. Reed, young girls often decide to just go. And this is what my daughter decided to do.
Jennifer.
What did you say?
At times.
They're not on
I
screen.
call her
No.
Jennifer.
No, my
Mr.
daughter.
Felton, what has really
I'll tell you
happened?
in a second.
I just told you.
How about the off-the-record version?
I am not sure where you're trying to go with this, but I won't tolerate. I don't have the strength for this now.
I know you've been trying to forget her, but this picture might help you to.
What is this? Where did you get this picture?
Isn't she your daughter? Celeste, or as you called her? Jennifer?
I asked you a question.
Back of the picture says Jennifer.
There is no Jennifer!
You thought I was stupid, didn't you, Mr. Felton? Do you really think I'd come here without knowing what I'm
Who
talking
are
about?
you, and why did you come here? Did you come to my home to threaten me with your condescension?
Hey, Jack.
You? So maybe I should ask your wife then.
She's not home.
Seems like she is.
Mr. Felton, I just talked to the director of the Institute on the phone. They have never heard of Dr. Reed. She is not what she claims to be.
Well, Miss Reed, if that is your real name, your time here has ended. Please, leave my property. Miss Gloria will escort you out.
Please follow me.
Mr. Felton, please, tell me what you did to your daughter!
Good evening.
Follow me.
Mr. Felton.
So yeah, I had issues capturing.
You know the way. How do you even...
How do I do what?
How do you even sleep at night? You use people's lives regardless of the pain you cause. The Feltons have been through a lot. And they are good people.
Gloria, a young girl disappeared.
We all know the story, unfortunately. A burden that the Feltons will have to carry for the rest of their lives. Celeste just left them.
If that was the case, there was a motivation behind it. And it threatened her life.
So, I had issues capturing the bottom part of the screen. I don't know why. It's the window's a bit iffy. I was gonna say window. The window's a bit iffy. So I managed to I can't just capture the bottom part. This tiny part where the subtitles are. I'm sorry. I see what she's gonna do. Alright, here we go. If you right click game capture, then scaling and adjust. No, it's just not capturing the screen in full for some reason. Trust me. I tried. I spent like 45 minutes on this thing. No, it's just the game is a bit iffy. It has nothing to do with OBS. OBS is doing his job right. It's the game. The game. I went like this because the TV is over here. It has to do with the fact that I'm using a TV instead of a monitor. That's the thing. Alright, she's cold, poor girl. But you're sneaking inside people's houses. Get inside the mansion and meet Dr. Felton. Seriously, we're gonna meet Dr. Felton? We're sneaking in. Okay, what's this? You picked up a diversion item. What? Do I have an inventory? You don't have items. Glass, throwable. Drop diversion item. No, okay, close. Okay. Throw glass at the window. I know. I was thinking maybe I throw glass. It's a distraction item, so maybe if something's chasing me. There's something over here. Oh, cool! You can hide. All right, you can zoom. All right. It's not a very good hiding spot, to be honest with you, but anyway. I'm gonna look around real quick. What is this? It's a generator. Better not turn off the lights. Fair enough. You picked up a defense item. Okay. So what do I do? How do I equip the... I'll check. I'll check afterwards. Hold on. Well, when there's something strange in this old man's house, what are you gonna call? The cleaners. I got what you mean. I see what you mean. Alright, so... in fact, I was thinking of playing Ghostbusters tonight, but this game just came out, like literally a couple of hours ago. And I wanted to try it. Let me see if I can equip item. Oh, this is just the... You know what I'm gonna do real quick, actually? Settings. Audio. I'm gonna leave it like that. Yeah. Much better. It was way too loud. Guys, give me feedback. I want to make sure that you guys can still hear me, okay? Oh yeah, we're going to check if I can equip the defense item. Objectives, events, collectibles. No, that's not it. Alright, so equipped. Knitting needle. What's this? Glass. Knitting needle. To drop diversion item. To drop defense item. Equipped. It says it's equipped. Glass throwable. I don't know. Whatever, let's go. Store is locked. It doesn't look perfect like Resident Evil 7, you know, visually, but it's not bad. Still, it's not bad. I like this music. It's soothing. I'm gonna leave it open, I don't care. Where's the music coming from? Diversion item. Aha. And probably I can still zoom just like last time, yeah? Okay. Why are you scared? You got nothing to be scared about. People said this game is very scary. I'm like, news coming from her iPad. Good one. GG. Well done. Feels like it's coming out of her bag, the music. It's true. Another defense item, apparently. Oh, good. Can I attack? Can I attack? What's this? Okay. What's this? Did I just throw something? Okay. I shouldn't have done that. Well, we'll see. I'm leaving everything open. Revenge. Have I opened these? I forgot. Ugh. I don't care. Oh, hold on. I found something. Of course it doesn't work. Shall we go upstairs? Let's go upstairs. This is where Mr. Felton was, right? We're gonna... Okay, let's get out of here. Way too retro for being an iPad. Well, I mean, you don't... No, no, if I wanted to listen to a song like this, these 40s song, I want to hear the vinyl... You know what I mean? So if I had to download them, I want it like that, with the vinyl effect. So you never know. It feels like the music is coming from here. Come on, game. What's that? God dang it, it's locked. Yeah, it feels like the music getting louder. Yes, I was thinking the same thing actually, Philly. You are very observant. I like that. Butterflies, moths, and flying creatures. Okie dokie. No, I don't need to see this again. Oh, there's an item. I was gonna forget to pick it up. Nom 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 nom. She's gonna take a nap down there. Come on, get out of there, you chicken. No goodies, no. I'm gonna leave everything open. Oh, there's something. Looked like there was something. Hold on, let me check again. Yeah, I knew it. I'm picking up a lot. Am I picking up all the cups? Look at all the cups I'm picking up. Alright, whatever. I don't know what I picked up. I picked up a lot though. I want to see a jump scare. Me too. Me too. I want to see if this game is actually going to scare me. What's she doing? I don't know what you're doing, girl. What's she doing? You have upgraded. I have upgraded a defense item. 2 uses left. Okay. I think the game is going too fast. So there's nothing here. Right? No, no doors. No, nothing. Okay, let's get out of here. This was the room, right? Was this the room? You might be able to turn on the projector if I connect a battery to film. Okay. This was where I was just a second ago. What is this? Yeah, this is where I was. This is the same paper. Yeah, exactly. Okay, so I recognize the place. It's locked. So where'd he go? Where is he? Whoa, interesting. I like that.
You won't get used to this at all, I promise.
Well played. Well played. This time you actually did make me jump. Thank you for the donation, Red. GG. Hold on. Oof. Alright, let's go. Because I'm expecting him to pop out now at any moment. He's not in his room, so where is he? That's the thing.
Mrs. Felton. Are you here?
It's Bill Murray. It looks like him. Oh, there it is. Let's switch it off.
This goodbye will be a chance to reach my land for me then.
Please, Mrs. Felton.
Is he coming in? Switch it off.
What happened, my dear? The record player got jammed again, right? Yes, I know. You keep on telling me we need to buy the new gadgets on the market. Promise, promise, promise. How can I say no to you? Now get some rest, love. My little Jennifer.
Jennifer.
Do I go out? Is it safe to go out, guys? I think he's gone, yeah? It looks like it ate a bug. It did look like that, yeah. I don't know. Is it safe to go? Sakura! Come hold my hand. I'm scared. Come hold my hand. Forget about the... Did I not say this is a murder case? That's what you mean. Remember, murder. Alright, I'm getting out of here. I'm not gonna do you, I can tell you, bracing for it. Hey Sam! Hello! Welcome! Welcome to the stream. Nice to see you. I'm playing a horror game tonight, and it's a new game that just came out. It's a new webcam that I just got. Alright, everything is new. Alright, so I'm gonna get a green screen eventually. I don't want you to see my shelf with all my consoles. Oh man, alright. I'm gonna get out of here. I don't want to check. Cutscene? Look, time to come out of the closet. Disgusting background. Okay, fine. Do you want to check her out? I don't want to check her out. It's gross. But I guess let's check her out. Because why not? Oh, we pick up stuff. And stuff. And stuff. Okay. Alright, now it's gonna be a bit scary, I think. Alright. Be ready to run. Have you seen this game before, Midna? Stop scaring me. Oh, man. Look, it's Bill Murray. It looks like Bill Murray. Look. It's Peter Venkman from Ghostbusters. I'm scared now. I mean, I'm scared. Like, now I'm a bit tense. So the game is actually managing to stress me out a little bit. And yeah, I see what you did there before. Like, I came out of the closet. Haha. No! No! What the heck? Why did you do that? Why did I do that?
Dr. Reed, are you doing some overtime?
He knows it's her. Shut up!
The unexpected. Before you go because I'm not planning on scaring you still.
No! 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 Get out of here! I'm locked. Of course I'm locked. Of course I'm locked. What's this? What do I do?
Who was it?
Help me, please! Oh my goodness!
Dr. Reed!
Yeah! Boom! Help me, please! It's locked, it's locked, it's locked!
Still here?
Oh my god! I still haven't checked! No! What's going on?
I'll make you swallow your own tongue!
I'm running the best I can! Is he right behind me? Help me, please! Help me, Sakura! Oh man, I don't. Oh man, down there, down there.
Would you like me to enjoy? Who's there?
Leave me alone!
This house is not open to the public.
I'm not even acting, guys. I'm honestly scared. I never screamed this much. I never screamed this much in my life, ever.
Likes to snoop inside people's house.
He has. I mean, he has a point, but not the murdery kind of point, you know. Where is he? I still haven't checked out Red's donation. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, dude. I don't know what you said. I'm so sorry. Actually, I should take a breather and check it out because it's not fair. Oh. All right, so I'm gonna alt tab out of the game real quick. So, man, I'm gonna alt tab real quick so I can check what you said because I know you said a lot. I know you said a lot, so I'm gonna check it out real quick. Man, sorry about that. It just happened everything at one go, and I honestly I wasn't really acting. My goodness, was I very loud? Because I have neighbors. It's 2:30 a.m. right now. Hold on, I need to check what Red wrote because. Alright, expect the unexpected. Wake me up before you're in the go-go because I'm not planning to scare you solo. I sang it for you, see? Oh, man. Okay. Alright, taking a breather. That's literally me running away from vlogging. Oh, man. Oh, man. Vloggy ignores me and laughs. Old man jumps. Vloggy screams and cries from laughter. Okay, because I still haven't you know, lost him. I still need to lose him somehow, but I haven't done it yet. So we'll see. All right, here we go. Back to the game. Back to the game. I heard the door earlier, but he's still around, is he? I mean, the music hasn't really calmed down. Eat a chili, make you feel better. I am gonna do the chili again, you know? I am gonna do the chili again. Oh man, alright. I don't think you're gonna need to donate, honestly. Because this game is gonna... Thank you so much, Red. Oh, the music has stopped now, you see? The music has stopped now.
So tired of all of this.
Is he ever gonna go away? Dude. I keep hearing him. Is he upstairs? Is he around the corner?
There's nothing left to eat. It's all molded.
I'm gonna try. Can you sneak? Yes, you can. All right. I feel safer like this. I don't know why, but I feel safer like this. And what if I decide to run? All right, she will switch to running right away. All right. So you can close the doors again. I like that. All right, let's go. Shh. It's good, huh? It's good. I'm really enjoying it now. It started off very slow. Hesitating around corners, as always. This reminds me, now it's kind of reminding me of Amnesia, in a way. Because you are being stalked by something. I mean, at least we know what it is. I don't know what his motive is, though.
A session I really needed.
Oh man, it's like he's everywhere. I hear the footsteps.
What are you doing? This is not a place for tourists.
Dude!
Do you really think you'll get away with this? You, Martin? So, you like to go around and rummage in other people's things?
He sees me.
Ha! Do you think I'm enjoying your stupid game?
No, I'm not enjoying it either.
Bitch!
Well, at least I know he's right behind me now, so I can go downstairs.
Doing here?
Take off high heels. I know, right?
Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a fiddle. E-I-E-I-O.
You cannot kill this guy, can you? No, probably not. Let him kill you. No, I don't want to start over. Ah, the light! I can switch off the light! Oh man, I wish the game told me before. There he is. But he doesn't see me. Haha, sucker! The flashlight was...
Put the damn pills!
Is he going away? He went this way, right?
I just want to sleep.
It's like he's everywhere.
Make you regret you were born.
Dude!
I'll make you swallow your own tongue. Do you think I'm enjoying your stupid game? Who's there? You are not allowed to stay here.
He has a point. Why are you there? You see, the thing tries to go out of the circle. I have to keep it inside the circle, basically. There you go. You see?
All of this.
Me too. Man, just let me go. I'm sorry. It's not. I'm not acting. I'm not trying to be funny or anything like that. I'm not capable of doing that. I'm not. Honestly, not. No.
I just want to sleep.
Go sleep, man. You don't need to scare me, Sakura. I mean, I'm getting the jump scares. Which side is he on?
There's nothing left to eat. It's all molded.
At least the music gives you a prompt, like. How badly? What? How badly on a scale? Is he gonna come back up? Oh, come on, dude. At least I get musical prompts.
Who's playing around? Still here? This is not a...
No. Alright, I died. I'm sorry about your ears. My throat. Man, I'm worried about my neighbors. Man, this is not good. Man, how badly on a scale of 1 to 10? What do you mean, on a scale of 1 to 10? How scary this is? It does look like the Spencer, the creator of the Weskers. I was thinking the same thing, yeah. I was thinking the same thing. Let's try again. Oh no, I have to start over. Hold on, perhaps I can do this. I just realized I can hide behind here as well at one point. My throat. Can you take them healers off? Oh my goodness, he's coming this way, I think. I see him, he's over there, you see him? Okay. I don't know how to whistle that. Old man, go to sleep, man. It's true. I hope he doesn't see me. Don't see me, buddy. Don't see me. Old MacDonald. Did I just see him again? No. It's too far away. I cannot. Where is he? Sorry, I'm tilting my head to the side. I don't know why I'm doing this. It's like he's around the corner. I don't know how I'm doing that. I'm going out of frame going like this.
I need another session. I really need it.
Where is he? That statue over there keeps scaring me. I keep thinking it's him. If you hide for a few hours, he might die from old age. There has to be a way to get out of the house. Not to get out of the house. I'm sure there's something, but not get out of the house. I think it's too soon to get out of the house. You should throw something to distract him when he follows you. It's true. That is true. That is true, Jack. That is so true. Oh man, he's coming this way now. Oh crap.
Would you like me to enjoy your stupid game?
I don't know what that means, Jack. What do you mean?
So, you like to go around and rummage in other people's things?
I'm trying to understand what Jack said. It's not making sense. News update. Amy is going to try a Resident Evil 1 audio files, or she calls it RE1 due to Gaming Fan Edition. I don't get it. Are you kidding me?
Do it! Stop!
Ah! Round around the table.
You weren't invited! What are you doing here? Who's still here? I will make you regret you were who's playing around it. Here you are. Seems like we have some common. This house is not open. Who was it?
Alright, two modes replacing bad acting from RE1, voiceover with better dialogues from other streamers. Just out of the house. I don't know how. Alright, keep calm, Vloggy.
I'm so tired of all of this.
Okay, the entrance is over there, right? I'm gonna wait for the music to end, I don't care. Man, look at me. I got sweat stains. I'm sweating like crazy. Man. That's the main entrance, right? This is the way it came from. Do I just go out? It sounds too easy. All right. What is the objective? Do I have like an objective? I don't know. Objectives. All right. So try to escape from the mansion. Okay. Okay. Simple as that, really. Okay, I'm getting out of here. Completed. Try to escape the mansion. Completed. Okay, so now what? Try to find an alternative way out. Explore the villa. Oh, there we go. There we go. Should I turn off the lights now? Okay, okay. Is he gonna keep chasing me throughout the whole game, or is he gonna give me some time to breathe? Oh, man. And her it's not making things any easier. No, not the light. I'm not so sure how to use the defense items, so... Oh my goodness. Is he naked? Just go and sleep then. Oh, he's coming this way. My goodness. Of course. Otherwise it would be too easy. At least I got like the musical notes, the musical cues, that he's close or something. Okay, take your time then, no problem. Have I been down here? I don't know. He's not coming this way, is he? Have I been down here? Guess who's back? Back again. Red is back. Make him blue. Make him blue. Hey, shh. He's upstairs, right? Because it feels like he's down here now. I hope he doesn't teleport. That would be a... You're being told to No, actually telling the guy, the old guy to No! Man! Why would I do that? It's for distraction.
Do you think I'm enjoying your stupid game? Who's there?
Stupid radio. That's so stupid, man. Why would you turn that on? Ah, it went off on its own. Okay. No, not the light! Crouch. It does say. What is this? Control panel for the ladder needs batteries. I don't get it. It's a small goods lift that communicates with upstairs, but the controller doesn't seem to... Ugh. I need to be careful what I press X on from now on. I don't want to bring him over. You upgraded the defense item, okay. Diversion item. Okay. How do I defend myself though? I don't even know. What's that? Ah, okay. So you place the diversion on the floor. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I placed the noise-making thing. I placed the noise-making thingy on the floor. Why would I bring him over? And her, hey Mark, welcome. Man, this game is damn, okay. I think we're gonna be okay. Ah, it's locked. Boo. What about this door? That's cool that you can actually check. There's nothing else here down here anyway, so. The music turned like... His voice reminds me of the Joker. I need to look fast on both sides and decide which way I'm gonna go. There he is. The lift still doesn't work, right? So he's downstairs. Have I been here? Yes, I have been here. So I'm gonna go all the way up then.
Noisy little...
Crap, crap, crap! Ah! What the heck? Come on! Just run!
Do you really think you'll get away with this?
Alright, so my mistake was that I actually ran pop, 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 with the shoes, and that's what caused... Oh, I have to do this again. Seriously? I have to do it again. No, try to escape from the mansion. Yeah, I have to do it again. God dang it. Oh. I cannot run.
What are you? Would you like me to... still here? Surprise?
Surprise, sucker! Come on, get down there!
Playing around in my house.
Alright, that one is objective complete once again. Now I'm gonna go down here. There he is, the sucker.
Who likes to snoop inside people's houses?
Is he butt naked? Is he butt naked? He is, isn't he? He's just wearing the apron. Oh man, classy.
This can't be real.
Can I get out of here? Is it safe now? Hello? I was thinking maybe I'll wait for him to go this side. Seems like he's upstairs. Where is he? I don't know where I'm supposed to go now. And that's the hard part of the game, like...
I will be the chap who reach my land for me, and then a whole new world is calling us.
Eat with your tea and biscuits. Right now it would be not lovely to have some tea and biscuits, but I'm too stressed out. Please don't be here. I'm gonna go save. Because apparently she saves when she goes in front of that mirror. Oh, he's there. Oh! Red! Red! The notification came up as soon as I saw him, and I thought it was from the music, from the game. GG. I am gonna pee my... Yeah, sorry about that. We're back. We're back. Sorry about that. OBS feels like disconnecting. We're back, yes? You can see... I am back, right? You can confirm that.
I put the damn pills! There's nothing left to eat. It's all mold.
It's all moldy. Is he close? Because you only get here that. And for somebody has problems with his vision.
And on his farm he had a sickle. E-I-E-I-O.
God dang it, where is he? I want to see where he is. He's not there. Come on, dude. Be cool, man, be cool. Probably behind me now. This is locked, yeah?
I just want to sleep.
Where is he? Whew. Man. Come on, just grab it, open it. I'm getting hungry. Is it gonna get... Is this gonna keep happening? My goodness, it keeps happening. It's just... I'm I'm sorry about this, but OBS feels it disconnects and reconnects. I was once lurking on a Twitch stream, and apparently they have a bot that actually exposes who's lurking. I don't even know where he is. Is he up? Is he down? I have no idea. The point is, where is he? I have no idea where he is. Anyway, they have a bot that exposes everyone that's lurking, like Christina. It gives you a list of people who are not active in chat that are actually watching. And the guy in the stream goes, "Hey!" Is that him? No, that's just... Alright. Are we making progress? I have no idea. So yeah, it just exposes... Alright, you see that thing, shining thing over there? That is a save thingy, it saves. I'm not gonna run to it, because apparently if you run, here's the footsteps, so walk slowly. So yeah, I mean like, hey vloggy buddy, welcome, come out of lurk, say hello. I'm like, what dude, seriously? It doesn't give you the option to lurk. I don't like that. So we're gonna save now. Right, we just saved apparently. What is this? Small, okay. So this game, I don't know if anybody has realized, but this game is actually inspired by Clock Tower. There's nothing, I cannot see anything right now. I have to do this. Is this a hole that I can go through? No. I keep pressing the wrong button. As if I'm gonna push that again. No way. Alright, which door did I come out of? This is the door I came out of, and what about this door? Ah, bathroom. Time to make a shit. Ah, piece of puzzle. Why did I pick that up though? You've picked up ground, floor, corridor, key. Ah, progress guys! Progress! I can't go into the bathroom through any mirror in there. I see what you did there, Sakura. I see what you did there. What is it? Something shiny stuck in the day. Clogging it looks like a clock key or something. Need to find something. I don't get it. It says there's something shiny stuck in the tank drain, clogging it. Looks like a clock here or something. I need to find. Okay, so bunch of puzzles. Bunch of puzzles. So now. It's funny you said that, Midna, but Resident Evil 2 doesn't have a bathroom. Real life is not complete without a bathroom. Oh, I'm yawning. It's 3:15 AM right now. Dude, this game. Okay. Hold on. But I need to be careful because I would love to distract him so he comes on this floor so I can sneak downstairs again. He's butt naked. Alright, he's going that way. That's fantastic. All I need to do is just... I'm memorizing the world, by the way. The map. I need to go down here. That's good to know that he's upstairs. We're safe. Kind of, up down here. I should have saved after picking up that key, though. I don't know. Now that I have the key, maybe I can open the door or two. Ground floor, we said? The key that I picked up? Hold on. Is it ground floor? Objectives. No, I need to check the items that I have. Oh, how do I check the items? Ground floor. Corridor key. Okay, back. So this is the ground floor, right? This is the ground floor. Can I open this door? Can you just use the key? Ah, it seems to be locked from the other side, so this definitely can't be opened. But maybe this? Vloggy, hold on. Use the key. Maybe I need something to use this. There we go. Can you just close the door behind you, please? Thank you very much. Hold on. Vloggy, he is in his house. Why shouldn't he be pantless? I see what you did there. Alright, let's keep going. No. Pressing the wrong button. Let's go in here. There's nobody in here. Let's go. Are you kidding me? No, I thought I heard the door open or something. No, we're gonna be okay. This is locked. I keep pressing the wrong thing too. Suspected of kidnapping and arson, a renowned professor commits suicide. Unable to withstand the charges, Albert Elias Wyman hangs himself. Acquitted for lack of evidence, the community fulminated against him. Their reasons were more than sufficient. However, cover up. Revenge? What? November 14, 1970. I'm getting tired. 1971. 1 month after the disappearance of the 13-year-old Celeste, pictured on the right. Hold on. Is this the same picture? No. Pictured on the right. Adoptive daughter, Mr. and Mrs. Felton. The dead body of Professor Wyman, pictured above, has been found today in his house. Wyman allegedly hanged himself. He was suspected in the disappearance of the young Celeste, even though there are no real proofs that he could indicate the disappearance. In fact, it was in fact kidnapping. He was also accused of the arson at the cloister Cristo Morente. Happened 6 days ago, in which all the 12 nuns living there, pictured above, yay, nuns, lost their lives. Ashman's daughter included. Wyman intimidated several times his former business partners, the Feltons, and the ex-employees at the headquarters, the Ashmans, who have accused him of using company to spreading a dangerous parasitosis in order to experiment on approved medicines. Albert Wyman, before his death, pleaded not guilty before other charges. He never declared himself uninvolved in the contamination at Rossogallo. As a matter of fact, Wyman stated the proliferation of these moths and their living system may be a missing piece in modern medicine. Allegedly, Wyman also said to act on behalf of Richard Felton, who have been assuming the prototype number 1 of Phenixil 4 years before its ban to cure its disease, as he believed it from it. Oh man, I can't read. Let's try that sentence again. That's a long sentence actually. Where does it start? Even though Felton contracted the disease in a whole different context, the nuns who underwent tests before the fire reported similar symptoms, in addition to a severe rise of insulin allergy to cortisone that could lead to sudden filamentary keratitis. Photosensitivity. Alright. Possibly caused by abuse of prototype number 2 of phenoxyl, a further side effects that would join the already abundant list of contraindicated. Oh my goodness, these words. Where are you getting these words from? From so much to read, man. I like to play a video game, not read. If I wanted to read, I'd be reading a book. Meanwhile, the first investigations confirmed the malicious nature of the fire, ignited by pouring inflammable liquid in the water pipes. The same used to infect Rossogallo's field, as well as the cloister, the plantations, and the whole wing of the Ashman's palace has been reported to be destroyed by the flames. Turn around. Forgot something? Pre-styled wigs, your coiffier, for just $39.99. Vloggy buddy, what would you do if you were being chased by a random person who is naked? Not this man. Just come one random. It depends. It depends if she's hot. I'm kidding. That wasn't a notification. What just happened? What was that noise anyway? That was not fair. Ah, the chandelier fell off, really? Metal cable.
You weren't invited! I knew it!
No! What did you do? What did you do? What the heck did you do?
No!
Chance to reach my land for me and them. A whole new world is calling us.
I love the fact that he's butt naked. Thank you for opening the door for me. Thank you for opening the door for me. Come on, just close the door, damn it! Of course.
Dr. Reed, are you doing some overtime?
Have you seen this game before, Midnight? It's like you know exactly what's gonna happen. You're blowing my mind right now. Wow, man. What's bothering me is that I have to do it again. Where did I get the key from? Oh yeah, from the bathroom. Man. Let's go again. Alright, yeah. There we go. Should I be using the metal cable here?
Nothing left to eat. It's all moldy.
Alright, let's go. I cannot save. Whoa. I cannot save now. Really? Ah, yes, I can. Because it wasn't glowing at first. I'm like, oh, maybe I cannot save. So I can save as many times. I got this game as well. I only got the part where I saw the body man. I was like, oh, you got this game as well. Alright. No, not the light. Crouch. I keep confusing them. Now I need to go downstairs. First floor. Man, that chandelier when it fell. What's he doing? He's doing something. Oh no, 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 not here.
To reach my land for I knew it.
Eee, I got stuck against the chair. Nice.
Make you swallow your own tongue. Wait, this is not so. You like to go around and rummage in other people's things. You weren't invited. Still here? Stop! Would you like me to... Ha!
No, don't get stuck there.
Stop, bitch! Dr. Reed, are you doing some overtime? Do you really think you'll get away with this? Who's there? This is my house. You cannot do this.
He's right behind me. Man. Okay, yes, use the key. This is too scary for... I'm playing it. This is too scary for me. Ah, there's a doll. I'll take it. As if I'm gonna... What's this? Battery compartment sealed. It needs to be unlocked from the clock face. Alright. Find the missing pendulum clock key. Ah, god damn, man. I need to find everything. Of course it's locked. It's like Resident Evil, huh? It's a well-made game, huh? For a game that's still in development, early access, it's very well made. I would have preferred if this was on console. Oh, a save point. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. The heck?
Donald had a song. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a sickle. E-I-E-I-O.
Is he there?
E-I-E-I-O.
That sounds low.
E-I-E-I-O.
I'm gonna be playing for like another half an hour, and I'm gonna call it. It's gonna be 4 AM soon here. What's this? What? That's a hiding place, and I saw like a music box here. I think. I'm gonna crap myself. I am not gonna take a breather. I'm strong like bull. So the chandelier fell. That's what happened. The entire Felton family is portrayed in a cheerful, where's cheer? Cheerful atmosphere. Those days seem gone. Celeste's face is unrecognizable. It looks like the canvas has been ruined on purpose by scratching it too much. But why? Okay, Bugness, be careful, they will slow you down. I noticed, yeah. Alright, let's see. So I'm gonna have to do this. Alright, and then it's gonna fall. Now I'm gonna crawl. Gonna pick up the key item. Why did she stand? Just crouch again. Is he coming in? Is he coming in? Alright. Now, which side are you gonna take? Just run, buddy, run.
Like to play? Don't go away. I have a gift for you.
Up. So I got the metal cable now. Maybe with the metal cable I can get something from the bathtub. I don't know. We'll see. I don't want to run. If I run, he will hear me. He will hear the footsteps, so I'm just going to walk like this, like a stupid baby. I'm going to take a sip of water in the meantime. I'm going to save again as well. Why not? Ghostbusters on TV right now. Well, I should watch it. Bye, I'm going to go back. Well, I thought I saw something behind me. Alright, let's go. Let's save. Now, where was the bathroom? I think this was the room, right? Yes, it was. And I think over here we had. Maybe I can do it. I don't know. Maybe this is what I need to do. Pressing start. Use a metacable to which an impressive chandelier was hung that broke. Despite numerous gadgets, I think it could still support the weight. No, it won't work though. That's a shitty toilet. That's a shitty toilet. I don't know where I'm supposed to go now. What do I have? Metal cable. That's all I have. What do I do with the metal cable? Support the weight. The weight of what though? Does anybody know? I'm open to backseating. You finished is it the first Ari Revelations or the second one? Well, you didn't say Ari Revelations 2, so I'm assuming. So assuming this is the first one, eh? I never finished the first one. I should play that sometime. Did you play it on the PS3 or 4? You zipline, I guess. What? Zipline? Zipline? I don't think so. Yeah, PS3, okay. I have it on the PS3. I never played it though. Am I close to the end of the game? Yeah, right. What am I supposed to do? I'm gonna get comfortable now because I know he's downstairs. I don't know what to do. I read that a couple of times. I'm yawning. I'm sorry. It's locked. If I run, he'll come get me right away. So there's nothing up here. Maybe it's downstairs again. Oh man. And I still haven't figured out how she heals, because at one point she got damaged and she was like limping, but I don't know how to heal her. I have no idea. I really don't want to go down. You see the music started as soon as I went down. So he turns back. I'm scared. Help me. Please help me. I think I have to go down there though, huh? I think I need to go where adventure is. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go downstairs or something. No. So what you supposed to do now? I don't know, I have a piece of metal cable thingy. I have to be down here, definitely. This is where I need to go. Please don't scare me, game. I really don't feel like it. What about the objectives? I'm going to check the objectives real quick. Is it find an alternative way out? Although this is the first time I actually beat the final boss on first try. Usually take me. But we're playing on easy. You're playing on easy. Come on, admit. You're playing on easy. Right? Hey, Nicky! Oops, I cannot show the comment, sorry. It went hidden for some reason, the word vloggy, I don't know why. Vloggy's banned. Oh my god, I wish you knew you were doing what? I wish I knew you were doing webcam. Well, the thing is this. I don't know if you saw my private message I sent you. But now to stream from now on, I'm gonna need 4 USB slots. One for my microphone, one for my camera, one for my headphones, and another one for the controller. And I only have 3, so I need to buy like an extension thingy. So today I had to sacrifice the microphone and I used the inbuilt with the headset, like the old days, to play this game. So I wasn't going to stream, but then I figured out, like, why not? Why not? This game just came out and it was like the perfect time. It was like the perfect time to play this game. So how are you? Nicky. I was gonna say you're up late, then I realized, nope, time zones, dude. No, not the light, crouch. Nicky, you missed me screaming like, I don't know, what did I scream like? Anybody? What did I scream like? I want to say like a girl, but I didn't scream like a girl, I screamed like a man. And I wasn't acting, I wish I was acting, but I'm not capable of. But I better not turn off the lights, okay. Okay, let's go. He's over there. He's that way. I know he is. Look, even the music is getting tense now. I'm gonna have to walk towards where he is. I have to do something where he is. Whether I like it or... Actually, you know what? Maybe I have to go in the basement. That's what I'm gonna do, actually. I don't want to run. If I run, he will hear the footsteps. I'm just gonna... I need to pee, guys. I need to pee. Your screen was like in the middle. What do you mean like I'm in the middle? What do you mean like in the middle? I don't get it. I don't get it. Help me. Haha. I fell for this once, I'm not gonna fall for it again. I keep pressing the wrong button to stand up and crouch. She turns off the lights. It's like I have to do something here for sure. I have to do something for sure here. I'm not sure what. Okay. I mean, there's this thing. Can I climb up? No? That scared me. I never heard of this game before. It just came out. It just came out like what? 2 hours ago? 3-4 hours ago now? A control panel for the ladder needs batteries. Man, everything needs batteries. What is this? A pick? Ah, okay. A nice pick. What's this? Small good lift communicates with upstairs. Alright, no, it's PC. It's basically, it's still under development. It's early access. It's called Remothered. Basically, this woman's investigating some sort of kidnapping, and then it was dismissed because apparently she ran away. But it turns out, oh, press A to upgrade your, okay. So yeah, she's investigating because apparently she was kidnapped, and now she discovered that his wife is still in bed after being dead for a very long time, and he's talking to her like, "How are you, honey?" and stuff, and he's like, "You're not supposed to be here." And now he's chasing her, naked with a sickle. You know what the sickle is? Like the thing. You're just now telling you what? Yeah, but anyway. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Nope. Maybe I need to use the cable for, like for the pendulum. I love scary games as well. I love scary games. And I want to do it a thing on my YouTube channel. This is like the first time, and this is like a trial. It's not really, it's not the real thing. This is the trial. I got my camera. I wanted to use it to see what it's like. Does it get warm, by the way? No. I went to test out the camera, and you know, since I got the camera and this game just came out, I'm like, let me try everything up. But I'm gonna set up a green screen behind me so I don't have a square here. You know, I don't like the square. So yeah, I'm rambling a lot now. Probably because I'm nervous. You see the music now? It became tense again? That means that he's somewhere around here. Help me, please. And the chili stream. Yeah, now everything's gonna be in HD, like the camera, at least. There was a few jump scares. There was a few good jumps. Sorry, after vlog, it scared me several times. I had to clean myself. You know what? I'm streaming. I'm actually wearing shorts today. I'm not pantsless. Stop switching on the lights. Sometimes webcams can crash. What I mean by the color changes, and sometimes you find it off. Okay. No, I'm wearing shorts. No, today I'm wearing. Yeah, it's exactly. So I'm not pantsless, just in case I shit myself. That never happened. Okay, that never happened. Only like 5 times. Okay. I don't know. Is it this door? Is there somebody behind this door? Okay. I'm not comfortable right now. I'm not comfortable right now. I think it's something to do with the clock. I think I need to do something with the clock. Man, please don't scare me, game. He's close. He must be close. Come on, quickly, do the thing. Do the thing. Is it better complete? See? Okay. Open the clock face. Come on, quick! Do the clock face thing. Missing key. Alright. Maybe I need to use this. I don't know. Metal cable. No, it's not working. It's not working. So what do I do? What do I use the metal cable for? This is locked. Vlog is screamed. He dropped. I really screamed. It's true. I'm pretty convinced that some people actually scream to overreact and get a reaction from people, you know. But no, I'm not capable of doing that. These were genuine reactions. You should totally watch the video when you get a chance, because I want to watch it. I'm thinking I'll make a compilation if I'll start screaming like this with every game I play. On top of all that, I made some jump scare notifications. The game kind of lagged for a sec. What's over here? Everywhere's locked, dude. Nikki. I went on the Minecraft server a little bit just to see what you did. I snooped around. And you moved the iron and the stuff. You moved the iron. The clock. The clock freaked me out. Alright, so what do? I don't know. You've picked up a diversion item. So yeah, I couldn't find where you put the diamonds and the... Man, I'm scared. Is he in here? This is the last time I saw him. He's over there! Can I close the door? He's over there! I saw him! He's over there! He's like right in front of the door. Can I just close the door? I'm not gonna... I think he got frozen. I think he's stuck. Should I make a run for it? I'm scared. He's stuck. He's over there. He's not moving.
I think I'm enjoying your stupid game.
I've never been here!
Stupid bitch! I will make you regret you are...
I need to come here.
Here you are!
There you are!
What are you doing here? You slut!
Slut.
Noisy little... Here? Dr. Reed, do you really think you'll get away with this?
I think I will actually, yes.
Stop, bitch!
I have to run! Please help me!
You weren't invited!
I know. You have a point. You have a point and I agree.
Who likes to snoop inside people's houses?
Ah, come on!
Stop, you stupid bitch!
No, I have a great time, I think!
Make you swallow your own tongue! Where do you think you're going? Dr. Reed, do you really... What? I know you're here somewhere. Seems like we have some company.
I'm gonna take a breather. I'm gonna take a breather. I'm so scared. I mean, not scared, it's just jump scares, you know, and it stresses me out. You can't watch me, you're scared. Try playing it. Try playing the game. My heart's pounding. No, alright. Now he no longer knows where I am, but I think he's gonna remain in the area. So yeah. Let's go. How much did it cost? Like 12 bucks if you get it now, you get it for 12 bucks. Once the game is fully released, it will be, you know, for a price, something like 30 or something, I don't know. I mean, when you buy these kind of games, the in development game early access, I'm against buying early access games, to be honest with you. But I don't know, this one was a gamble, really. This one was a gamble. I mean, I'm playing it because I got the camera. This horror game just came out. I'm like, the planets are aligning, you know. All right, let's go. Let's try. Let's continue where we left off. Bruh, vlogger. Man, this game right here. Okay, it went quiet. I think it's time to get out. There was a kitchen that I haven't seen. There was a kitchen before. Alright, I'm gonna be quiet. Oh, I can save point. Quickly. So now I know that there's a kitchen around here that I haven't been in. So, I'm sorry, Midna, I'm sorry. So she saves when she does that. Now then, this one's locked. It was like a kitchen. Not sure where. The heck? Shoo the moths away. Is he close by? I nearly spilled my drink. I'm sorry. Sorry. But, I mean... So, is this the room? There was a kitchen here somewhere. I'm confused, huh? You want to put a Maltese in your mouth? Yeah, I mean, I know the reaction is funny. I know. Because I watched my own videos. I was sharing them with Sakura this week. My old ones. I'm like, let me see if I'm still scared like that. I am. I want to make this a regular thing, though. Like, be playing these horror games. And I have so many horror games lined up. So many horror games. Jack recommended I get Obscure for the PS2. I got it. I got Fatal Frame. I got... so many games. I have so many games that I've never played before. The point of horror games is not playing them, but not having them played before. You know what I mean? No, this is not it. This is not it. Where is the... What is the kitchen hypo? There was a kitchen here somewhere. Vloggy, we need to co-op soon. I'll be Freddy. What? Are you talking about Friday the 13th? What? This is not the right room, is it? I hear something. Is he coming? I think he's coming. I don't know where the... I'm gonna get out of here.
Nothing left to eat. It's all moldy.
I heard the door open. Come on, I need to find that kitchen. This is it. Let's go. I called it a kitchen. Is it a kitchen? I don't know. No, I'm not gonna play Friday the 13th. I don't like it really. What's this? Oh, there are holes to hook up some handle. I don't know. Can I do this? I'm trying everything, but this is... No, nothing. So yeah, as I was saying, I have plenty of horror games lined up that I've never played before. What's the moth doing over there? Go away, moth. Ugh, I don't want to close it. I want to open this one. I don't know what I'm doing right now. It's a kitchen. I gave you a game hint, Floggy. Go back and look. It's a kitchen, and I gave you a hint. Go back and look. Look where? Tell me, it's okay. You don't have to be, you don't need to be subtle with the hints. You can just go ahead and tell me, it's fine. Whoa, just happened. What was that? What's going on? What's this? What's all this all about? Ah, new collectible. You off this week? Well, I have a couple of days off, but not entirely off. Like not the whole thing. There's another door here. I haven't been here, right? No, this is another door. I came. Oh, I'm just gonna run. Don't run, buddy. I came from here, so this is a new door. Okay. It's in the chat. Look up. Don't stay in a hiding spot for so long. The song will not let you know. He is there and he will find you faster. Really? Okay. Okay. I love how Midna knows this game. I like that. It's amazing. The game just came out and she already knows. I like that. We're gonna play Pokemon soon, by the way, Midna. We are. It's 5 a.m. No, it's 4 a.m. here. We had the daylight saving time. So it's 5 right now. 4. I got confused now. 4. I have to go, huh? No, I won't. Press that button as if. God dang it. The door's tied with a rope. God dang it. Where do I go? He's not in here, is he? It sounds like he's in here. No, he can't be in here. He can't be in here. I'm scared. Can I zoom in? I guess not. What, can you hold the door? That's awesome! Huh? Like Outbreak. You can do that in Outbreak as well. I like that. Alright. Crouch, princess. Crouch, princess. I have no idea now. Where do I go? He's over there! Oh! So Midna says this is based on a true story something? Apparently.
There's nothing left to eat. It's all moldy.
I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I've been everywhere. Oh, there he is. Hey, sucker! I don't know where I'm supposed to go. I have no idea. I'm at a loss right now. Maybe I'll do some research and come back to this game. I want to save again, but it's not like I did much progress. This is locked, yeah? What do I do with the cable that I picked up? That's the thing. That's what I don't know. Let me look at the cable one more time. That's the cable to which an impressive chandelier was hung that broke off from the ceiling of the dining room. Despite numerous gashes, I think it could still support the weight. What am I supposed to do with it? I wish there was a map or something. I went around in circles. Whoopsie. I am so tempted to make a run for it. I don't know where I'm supposed to go. I don't think it's anywhere close. I don't think it's over here because he's staying over there, and it can't be that easy. He says it seems blocked by it's blocked on another floor. How many? Ah! Crap!
I will make you regret you were born! Go to hell! Fucking cocksucker!
Come on, run! I can't get past him!
Here you are. Don't go away. I have a gift for you.
I don't like gifts.
Do you think I'm enjoying your stupid game? This is not a place for tourists. Do you really think you'll get away with this?
Okay, but no problem. Thanks so much for hanging out. You have a lovely evening. Good night.
Who was it?
Oh, man. Wow. He's still here?
Are you doing some overtime?
Ah!
You slut!
That's not fair.
Stop! Aha!
Come on, game!
This is not a place for tourists. You weren't invited. I knew it. Do you think I'm enjoying? No. Ha! I will make you regret you were born. Where do you think you're going? Who's playing around in my house? This house is not open to the public. Oh, MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And
This can't be.
She's hurt. How does she heal? That's what I don't know. The elevator is stuck on a particular floor, but it doesn't. If you have any questions, call me on Discord. Okay, no, that's fine. Get some rest. As if I don't wanna bother you. But thank you, I appreciate that. Man. She's hurt now. What am I gonna do? Come on, how do I heal? Equipped? Items? Ammonia? I don't know what to do. Almost. What? Almost. For almost. I think I know what the game is for. Go ahead, tell me. I'm open to suggestions. I have no idea what I'm supposed to do right now. And she's gonna die, poor thing. I don't know what I'm gonna do. That's locked. I hate seeing her limp. I wish I could heal her, but I don't know how it's done. I don't know how to heal her. What is up there? Useless. The elevator, maybe you need to fix it. But how? I mean, it's stuck on a floor. I visited all the floors and I checked the elevator on every floor. And it says it's stuck on the floor.
Stupid bitch! Who's there? Who's playing around in my house? I knew it. I'll make you swap. Who likes to snoop in still here? Seems like we have some company. Come on! This is not funny!
Google might know how to heal her. But no, the game just came out. I don't think there's people posting already how to heal her. I will do some research and I'll continue this maybe tomorrow. Man, I'm sorry if I'm being too loud, huh? When I get startled. Or should I just use the word scared right away? Anybody there? Hello? Hello? Is Nikki in here? Is Nikki in here? No? We're okay.
Put the damn pills!
Oh man. I'm thinking about what he's wearing. He's wearing nothing and an apron. That's how I want to walk around the house when I cook. So the elevator, it's not working here. There's no floor up here anyway, so again to his door. It's so stupid. Ah, well. I really want to know what to do with that.
I need to take my pills.
Okay, I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna call it. That's it. That's enough. That's enough for today. I'm gonna call it. Oh man. You know, you just said that with Sakura in chat, right? What? What did I say with what Sakura? I don't know. Man, I'm tired and I was scared. Oh man, I'm gonna go. Thanks to everyone that hung out. I humiliated myself. The apron thing. Yeah, I know. But I'm gonna try this again tomorrow. Yeah, I will try this again tomorrow. Thanks to everyone that hung out. Thank you, Red, for the donations. All right, you succeeded to make me chicken out. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. Ciao. Stop streaming. Where's the button? Where is it? I don't see it. Oh, there it is. Ciao, guys.